Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make an emergency call in an SOS situation using your integrated emergency call function on your Audi A4 S4 Avant. An emergency call is a combination of a voice call and a data transfer. Important information such as details about the vehicle and its position are transferred to the emergency call center using the vehicle's data transfer function. The emergency calls can be made in two different ways. We have, of course, the automatic emergency call. In some circumstances, the vehicle's electronics will make an emergency call automatically. If, for example, an airbag has been triggered, the LED in the emergency call button will flash in green. The emergency call will be placed. This call cannot be cancelled. Then, this is the automatic way. But we have a manual emergency call function. We have there in the front headliner area, we have a cover for the emergency call button. And underneath this cover, we can open this by pushing on it and release the button down. Then we can see this red area, the emergency call button. We lightly press the cover to open it. We press the emergency call button until the LED flashes in green. The emergency call will be placed. If we press the emergency call button accidentally, we press it again immediately until the LED lights up permanently in green. The emergency call will be cancelled in this case. The services are provided via a SIM card installed in the vehicle. The cost of the voice calls and the data connection is included in the price of the service. Provisions for these services requires that the mobile network of the SIM card be functionally and ready for use. The service provided by Audi AG are only available within the area covered by the mobile network chosen by Audi AG. Information of these data we can see around www.audi.com if we need that. We have some informations LEDs there. That means the standard is green. Green means the emergency call function is available while the ignition is switched on. Or we can see the red. A fault has been occurred to the emergency call function. We should contact a qualified workshop and it cannot be placed. If it is off, the emergency call function is temporarily unavailable, or the ignition is switched off, and then of course you cannot use it. If the emergency call is dropped due to a poor connection system, or we reconnect the auto automatically. That's how to use and make an emergency call, the SOS function. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.